Hi, here's a quick tutorial on how to set up a gradebook in Canvas. First thing I'll do is go to this Math 13 class, which is just sort of a shell course that I've set up just to practice with. Next, go over to Assignments, and it will have one generic category just called Assignments right here. So I'm going to go over here to Edit and just change the name of that. I want this to be the homework. Right here, I can't set the percentage yet because I need to put in the different categories first and then set the percent that each one is worth. Next, add another group, which I'm going to have quizzes, and two more groups. One is exams, and one last group, the final. Once you have your categories or groups set up, then go over to this little star and tell it I want to weight the grades. So homework is going to be worth 20%, quizzes 20%, exams 30, and final 30. Luckily, I don't have to do any plussing. It does the plussing for me, showing me that's worth 100% of the grade. Okay, so here's my categories. It shows my percentages. Also, when you go over here to grades, your students' names and ID numbers, they would be populated right here, and then you can see the different categories. So you'd be able to see how they're doing in those categories. And then when you're ready to actually type in the grades, you would go to Assignments. And then let's say that I want to add a homework. I've graded the homework type. Okay, so it's just an assignment. And then I would call it homework number 1 or something like that. The due date, how many points it was worth. And then later I'd be able to go and enter the grades. Well, that's the general setup. I hope it helped.